Hi friends, it's Stephanie here with DIY Mother's Day edition with the Dollar Tree and other various inexpensive, fabulous decor. These first few pictures are what I was going for. It's always funny what you're kind of going for and what you end up with. And this is kind of this is what we ended up with. So I wanted this to be girly, yes, but very colorful and vibrant. I did go with this iridescent table cover. This was at Walmart for $3, followed by this other white table cover that's like this faux lace, also for $2 at Walmart. Just wanted to kind of show you guys what I did here. I took the very bright pink, I pulled it out of the package and was like, holy crap, it's an Easter egg. And then I put this faux lace over it, which made it a little calmer and kind of more of what we're going for. I then went back to my favorite place in the whole world, the Dollar Tree. I purchased 3 of these, along with, I love the chargers. This was a pearlized white plastic charger. I glued, and I'd seen this done a few times, so I was like, well, heck, let's try it. I glued the candle holder to the charger and made a centerpiece. So the centerpiece consisted of the plastic charger, the candle holder, this lovely doily. You guys know I'm a fan. Anytime it's girly, there's a doily involved. And then these 2 gift boxes that I got. I used the tops of the gift box in another way, which I will show you momentarily. I had purchased these LED tea light candles with those glass beads, or these fake plastic beads, and I put those in the long stem glass tea light candle holders. Guys, when it comes to the Dollar Tree, honestly, it's not really organized all the time, and you find things in the randomest of places. These are super girly and cute, and they are lip gloss. It was girly, it was a little glitzy, and it was fun, and I love that they were lip gloss. Now for the place settings. I found this plastic tray, and I was like, you know what, let's use this in a way that it isn't supposed to be used, because that's always the most fun. I put the pink plastic, I put the pearlized charger, followed by an ivory plate. And you can see like the 3 layers, which layers always add class. Then I was like, okay, what kind of crazy, fabulous, weird napkin thing can we do? And I was like, let's make the napkins little bouquets. Cute! But this is what we've got going on. We did the doily. I just put a flower in the center and made it kind of like a little bouquet and then tied it with a ribbon. I also couldn't decide which ribbon to use, so we started with white and then I went to yellow because the center of that flower has a little yellow pop, and I stuck with the yellow. But, you could change it up. I did buy a few of those candle holders I showed you in the beginning, and I got these long LED taper candles. When you have all this stuff on the table, live flames equal firefighters showing up at your house, and not in a sexy calendar form, but because your house is on fire, we don't need that. Here you see the lid of the gift box that I used. So I took one of the candle holders, I put the long LED candle, I glued some flowers directly to it. I got these butterflies off of Amazon, and I set that on the lid of the gift box, which I just thought was very girly. This is the other gift box lid with the other candle seated upon that. And I loved the way that my whole idea with these LED candles, with the long ones, was to see that fake flame just kind of peering out of the blooms. And I feel like I got that going on. It's really a nice effect. I used the tea light candles that I used from the watermelon summer video with the yellow ribbon around them, which again, we wanted girly, but you gotta have a little bit of a pop. But I didn't want too much yellow in there because then I'm getting like a baby shower feel for some reason. Maybe that's just me. I was using these white clothespins to put pictures all around the table. Now again, you guys know I'm a fan of a total ambiance experience. While in quarantine, I have noticed that yes, the table decor really affects, how you feel about dinner, but so does the ambiance. And so I always try to put little other things around in the space that we're seated, because it really does affect you, I think, more than you realize. So I used one of the silver buckets that I got from the Dollar Tree. I painted that bad boy, that bronze color. I used the silver trays. And we continued this garden party, tea party effect over on the counter. And she has her cards there in the background. They do have some excellent Mother's Day cards at the Dollar Tree, so definitely stop by there. I got several for all the women in my life. They were really sweet. If you have questions, comments, let me know. I would love to hear what you guys did. Let me know your creative ideas for Mother's Day or any other creative ideas in the comments. I'll see you guys later. Bye!